Shine bright up all night, whenever slow.
So, laki ng isda. Gawin ko itong paksiw. Tcharam! Ang laking isda. Paksiw ko dyan. Paka-healthy living po kami ngayon. Yay! Fresh from palengke, Sabars. Very good kaya kong bana ay. Very good. Very good, babe. Ang laki ng Sabars, oh. Let's see. Oh, laki, oh. Okay, sarap nito. Unon, pritohon. Tcharam! Yes, pila ka buhok? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stooks. Thank you, Val. Kaayo, oy. Cherry. No, cherry. Dago kayong cherry. Fruits. Avocado. Yan po ang prutas namin. Broccoli. Mais. Tangkong. Regardless the presyo, ha. Tangkong, talong, and spicy bonan. That's for our vegetable. And just abroad, so he bought this one. Ito yung stocks namin abroad. Actually, kanya lang naman ito because I don't like so much bread. Oh my God! Diet no more! Oh my God! 1, 2. Yeah, pila pa nagabok 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh my God. So pura kas may alin to von stock ra gyud ni Daisy Broad, babe, no. No. Tapos he has his another bread. Stocks namin to, stocks.